Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Well, hi guys, welcome to the live session. Welcoming you. This is Simran, and the live chat पे जो guest हमें join करने वाली हैं is none other than Neeti Taylor. So Neeti is going to join us for the live. I'm just adding her. I'm sorry, I'm like 5 minutes late. Actually, I was trying to look for my earphones. And उसके बाद when I started the live, वो पता नहीं अपने आप end हो रहा था for some reason.
Now can you
ठीक है.
see me?
Hi.
Hi. Now can you see me?
Okay. हाँ, this is better. पहले तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही थी. It was like गिटार के strings बज रहे हैं, वैसी टाइप की आवाज आ रही थी.
I think
This
it's
is better.
5:30. Everybody is live, so I think the network is very busy
हाँ.
that time.
True. But welcome to India Forums and welcome
Thank
to our
you.
live chat. First up, how are you and how is quarantine 2.0 like?
Oh, it's really good. It's amazing. I'm getting to spend a lot of family time, so theek hai, it's not that bad. And I hope you're good
Right.
too. Are you fine? Are you in Bombay?
Sorry.
Are you in Bombay?
Yes, I am in Bombay. Aren't you in Bombay?
No, I'm in Delhi. I'm with family. I just came here for the
Oh.
anniversary, and after few days, everything
But-
got locked down.
But you know, you're lucky because you're with the family, so like you get to spend time with them. So it's
I
a
know.
good situation to be in.
It is better because akele rehna. I don't know.
Yeah.
It would have become. I don't mind staying alone, but at least over here, mom and dad, at least कुछ बातें हो रही है, you know. Otherwise, बहुत lonely हो जाता है. And to manage your own food, to manage your
Right.
own घर, I think it becomes too difficult.
True. There is Janvi Sharma is asking you this or that, cakes or cookies and liner or lipstick.
Cake. That also was sponge cake. I really like liner, lipstick. Yeah, liner लगाना ही नहीं आता मेरे को.
And because you mentioned cake, are you also one of those जो Instagram पे एकदम fancy सा कुछ post करने वाली है?
Oh, food? Yeah.
हाँ.
Not fancy food, but जो घर पे बनता है, एकदम घर का खाना. I can't do anything fancy. And also one thing, I'm trying to get cake mix. You know, like I'm seeing कहाँ है
True.
when dad goes like once in a blue moon to get vegetables. I'm like cake mix, मैदा, you know, cocoa
कुछ भी
powder
मिल
मिल
जाए.
जाए. कुछ नहीं है. कुछ
People
नहीं है.
people have been very mindful और पहले से ही like stock रखा था, and now they are flooding Instagram with all this और हम लोग
They're
को
making
FOMO हो रहा है.
banana bread, they're making cakes, they're making cookies, they're making brownies. I'm like, भाई मेरे को ingredients ही नहीं मिल रहे, तुम्हें कहाँ से मिल रहे?
True. There is Sachita Sharma who's saying make more and more of dance videos. Are
Oh,
you
we'll surely
considering
do.
that being at home?
Uh, oh, Natasha the Stogie. Okay, done. I will message you, give me the recipe. And dance videos, yeah, I don't know how people are even working out because I swear, I have to tell myself, चलो नीति थोड़ा मैं ना 10 मिनट का वर्कआउट करती हूँ, मुझसे नहीं हो पाता है. I might put on weight, I might be really healthy after this, but नहीं हो पाता यार. I
There
don't know
is
how people do
Nakul Agarwal saying, have you tried the Dalgona coffee?
No, I don't like coffee only. Though I've started drinking, but अभी सिर्फ start किया है मैंने drinking
Right.
normal coffee. I can't go to the other. That's too much.
There is Sanyal Soham asking, can you speak in Bengali?
नहीं, I
Not
don't
sure.
know. अमित मार्को भालो भाषी इतना ही आता है.
There is fan underscore Neeti Taylor 07 asking the when are your dance videos appearing on hashtag Taylor Made Stories?
कौन से
You know
dance
your
videos?
dance
मैंने
videos?
कौन से की? I don't know which dance
I'm
videos are
not
these.
sure. वही मतलब everybody is just talking about your dance videos.
Guys,
Probably that is something they want you to try.
यार घर बैठे बैठे डांस भी करो भी यार बहुत मेहनती का. I
Have
will
you
try.
Have you like tried to कोई ऐसा नया talent develop करना या hobby कुछ that you've regained या ऐसा कुछ?
I am telling you, all that I'm good right now is घर का काम, झाड़ू, बीजेपी, बर्तन झाड़ू पोछा करवा दो मुझसे. I am so good at it and I'm so good at cooking. I can cook very well. That's about it. I don't have any other talent. And I have realized that I'm a very talentless person alive on this planet.
There is his Queen08 asking what are the favorite quarantine movies and series that you're watching?
So my dad loves watching thriller movies or action movies. हम वही कर रहे हैं. And you have no idea. It's like yesterday we were watching disaster movies, The Impossible, and what was the other one? Something The Earthbound or something like that. It's crazy. Like we see so many action movies. Today I'm going to make them watch Shallow, all shark wale movies. The Meg also we watched. I am very like that.
There is Ishita Insta asking your hair care routine and please say my name.
If you guys can see, my hair is really. I just had a bath and today combed it. मैं थोड़ी इंसान लग रही हूँ आज. I was like, चलो कुछ तो करूँ मैं अपने आप को. Brush किए मैंने अपने बाल, वही बड़ी बात है. There's no hair routine.
Are you not like one of those जिसको like छुट्टी मिली है तो she will be over pampering ऐसे सब कुछ ये mask सब.
मैंने सिर्फ तेल लगाया है and because I have this tailor-made story, so I am doing things. Otherwise, I'm
so you're doing it for the gram.
Yeah. Otherwise, I don't know what I do in life only. मतलब कुछ करके भी मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ. That's the best part.
There is Saloni Bunker asking, what is your skincare routine? See, so many people are asking you routines.
Routines, यार hair care का तो last episode में बताया था. अभी this Sunday skin routine. I have come up with what I do with my skin. Yeah.
So there is Neeti_army. उसका भी same ही question है. When is your skincare video coming out?
Sunday to Sunday, every Sunday
so
is tailor-made stories. Yeah.
You all have to stay tuned for this Sunday और आपको राज पता चलेगा what is the skincare.
You just have to drink lots of water. I think that's it. Water keeps it so good, your skin. Like.
There is Masoom3467 saying your TikTok videos with your dad are really cute.
Thank you so much. He loves doing it and he gets really excited, by the way. My dad, ek take mein aise se he does, and then he's like super good. And I'm like, and he gets very excited. He's like, see, one take. I'm like, okay.
One take artist.
My best friend is on live and she's like, ma'am, I'm a very big fan. I love what you're wearing. My mummy's clothes. Every day for these interviews, I don't have clothes only here. I'm like, mummy, kurta dena, please. You should see what I'm wearing. Niche pajama. This is me.
Amazing. But because they must be like super happy to have you around, because I don't think कि being an actor आपको इतना ज़्यादा time मिलता है when you're in Bombay to go fly all the way till Delhi and spend इतना लंबा time with parents.
I don't think just because you're an actor. I even think just because you're staying away from a family and doing some kind of work, you get so busy with your own life. I think you never get time. True. They are loving it. Every day my mother's like, listen, don't go back now. Don't go back. I'm like, bas mera ho gaya. I was like, when this gets over, I won't like, ekdam se go back because you don't know how the situation will be. I think I need to be a little safe. Right. After 15-20 days, I'll head back to Bombay.
There are so many fans, Niche, and also when we posted that we are getting you on the live chat, all the Kaisi Hai Yaariyan ka jitne fandom hai, all of them just bombarded us ki amazing, this is so good, finally we are going to see her. When you initially did the show, was there a feeling ki this is going to turn into like a rage at some point?
So I'll tell you something. When our show came out, it was not even promoted very well. It was like if you know, like no one even came to us and asked us, "Arey, aapka show aa raha hai? What is this?" No one did that, and I really thought कि यार ये मेरा first lead show है, and I just like कोई पूछने नहीं आ रहा. हमारा show release भी हो गया, किसी को पता ही नहीं है क्या हो रहा है. And suddenly it just went like that. Like I remember the TRPs beginning में आ नहीं रहे थे, and TRPs is such a huge deal. Suddenly it just something just happened that it just became magic, and I was like, whoa, people like me, people know me. You know, that was a very big thing for me.
Do you remember like the first time somebody like a fan encounter जो हुआ after कैसी है यारियां?
I remember this. So basically, शूटिंग होती थी ठाकुर कॉलेज में. Okay, and नया नया था. I am not afraid of saying this, but I used to travel in the auto, and I still travel in the auto because I love it. And Vikas
Yeah.
Gupta is on the live. Hey, me. Wow. Okay, so I remember I was traveling in the auto और उस दिन पैकअप थोड़ा लेट वेट हो गया तो मैं ऐसे ऑटो में जा रही थी and they were like नंदिनी मूर्ति मैं भैया ऑटो वाले को बोल रही हूँ "Shh, they have recognized he's looking at me कि who are you and I'm like I'm like okay so
Well,
Vikas
you
is
don't
in
know.
McDonald's yeah so उधर ना ठाकुर कॉलेज
हाँ,
में
I know.
there is a
उधर,
McDonald's
हाँ.
also there, and you know, like people just recognize you like that, and you're like, whoa, you just got recognized. Like for me, it's a big deal even today. Like
Right.
when people recognize me, I am like, thanks, yeah, thanks. And all thanks to we because I auditioned for another role. I was auditioning
अच्छा.
for Alia and Mukti, and then he had the confidence in me
Nandini.
that she will pull out, she will pull off Nandini. Yeah, very well. So.
Right. He has an
And
eye, of course.
by the way, Vikas Gupta is the one who spotted me in Balaji. Like we were supposed to do a show there. Like I had come first time for an audition. I still remember pink
Right.
salwar suit pehna tha, and he was the first one who spotted me and said, "ये लड़की देखना तुम." I was like,
And there is Prachi Jain 4152 asking, will we get to see Kaisi Hai Yaariyan 4 and Parth and you again in a project?
See, so many people are asking me. I had a live with Parth also. मैंने और उसने
Right.
वही बोला कि भाई तुम मेरे को तो पूछो ना हम कर लेंगे. We will act. You guys have to
Right.
talk. Yeah, you guys have to go and talk to the producers and the writers
True.
and whoever is the part. We are actors. We will act. We have no problem.
There is Neha asking you, what is the thing that you miss the most during quarantine? Is there something that you are like
Yeah,
craving or?
I feel like going out. Like I love loud music. I love being out. So I think that is something, you know, just chilling with my friends. Just
Are
going
you
out and
also missing shopping and like mall mein just you could roam around?
I anyway hardly go to the malls to shop. I always shop online. But I'm not missing. I'm actually happy because I shop a lot.
पैसे बच रहे हैं.
अभी फिलहाल I am in this mode and I'm loving it. I'm like ठीक है मेरे पैसे because even when I stay alone, you know, सब्जी खरीदना,
Right.
you know, your money is getting spent and this my money is just
Perfect.
intact in my account and in my wallet. I am so happy.
There is fan underscore Niti Taylor asking, chole or rajma?
Rajma.
And so you're a rajma chawal person.
I'm a Rajma Chawal person.
There is also another thing which is most asked, and I'm sure you must also be getting those questions. When is the wedding on cards?
भाई पहले ये खत्म हो जाए ना फिर हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं ना अभी कैसे डिसाइड करूं
Right.
मैं पंडित जी भी नहीं मिलेंगे तो अभी तो
There is Sanyal Soham who's asking, in one of your TikTok videos, you asked for Daru. Really great one that was.
okay thanks.
एकदम
अरे I
A
saw
level.
one video also where one guy is telling please दारू की दुकानें खोल दो बहुत जरूरत है हमें दारू की दुकानें. It's very funny that video I saw and I was like what is this?
There is Pushpa Goyal who's asking, I don't know, there's something like in fans ki abhi sunna आप question तो आपको पता चलेगा. Please send us, please make some Zumba or workout motivation dance videos. What is this dance videos and what are these workouts जो fans आपसे expect कर रहे हैं?
Guys, you were expecting too much out of me. I'm as lazy as you all are. Okay. I'm as lazy as you are. I know everybody has a lot of free time, but I just don't know. I'm still very lazy. Like I said, it takes me so much courage to do that skipping also, which I do for 3 minutes, and I'm like huffing and puffing because it's so hot now. You're asking so
Right.
much. And I need when somebody to tell me what to do. Like खुद से मैं बड़ी लल्लू हूँ type.
Acha. So you like to like have a trainer or a friend जो
I
like
have,
keeps
yeah, yeah,
pushing
yeah, she
you.
trains me. Yeah, I have a trainer who trains, like does Zumba, and I like doing Zumba because it's exercise and dance. अब मैं वही
Dance.
सोच रही हूँ,
True.
इतनी गर्मी है इधर. I'm like बॉम्बे जाके तो it's going to be so humid. How will I work out? This is what I was thinking.
You will keep sweating. Like हम लोग ऐसे बैठे बैठे like it's literally we are.
I swear, it's very hot.
There is Virani Muskan asking you, did you ever face any struggle in the beginning of your acting journey?
I think
Please share tips.
life is a struggle. I think every turn you take is a struggle. So my struggles haven't stopped for sure, and they will not stop. I know that
Right,
for a fact because you always keep, having some huddles and buddles. But
right.
yes, of course, I did have my struggles. अब पता नहीं क्या हुआ था.
But everybody, of course, has their own journey.
Own journey, own
There
struggles. They
is,
go through their own things.
if you can share with us कि how was the first audition like, and कभी कभी होता है like people get clicked in their first audition itself. वैसा कुछ हुआ था or what was it like?
Okay, so guys, I'll tell you one thing, okay? So I am still scared of giving auditions. Or, actually once you become an established actor now, when people know you, then it's not called auditions, it's called a screenplay, okay? Screen
Screenplay,
test.
right?
Yes, it's called a
Screen
screen test,
test.
sorry. They call
हाँ.
me for a screen test. But जब तक मैं वो audition के phase में थी, मेरी
आवाज हाँ आई
आवाज नहीं आ रही है ना? Okay.
आई हाँ.
Hmm.
So somebody was asking you what is your biggest fear?
यार हाइट्स मुझे नाली भी जो नालेज होते हैं ना वो भी क्रॉस करने में मेरी बहुत हो जाती है आई हैव समथिंग टू डू विथ लाइक
Right. Did you there are people writing कि वो audition वाला I mean the screen test वाला answer they didn't get. If it's fine, can you please repeat it? So
yeah surely so basically so when people know you in the industry so you don't give auditions you give screen test okay it's like a step
screen
of like
test.
one step ahead of an audition okay इसका मतलब है कि आपको
Right.
और भी बड़े लोगों ने select किया है that is what it means okay so now they call you for screen test but जब मेरा audition का phase था ना तो there were a lot of shows where I have gone to give auditions and I have run away and I have like उसके बाद मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं हो पा रहा है इट्स टू डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑडिशंस में क्या होता है कि आप उधर जाओ आपको तब स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है एंड देन यू रीड एंड देन यू ट्राई टू
Right.
अंडरस्टैंड so there were a lot of times I was like, yeah, I can't play this character. What is this? I can't. I'm telling you, I used to get so scared. I used to run away. I have run away like so many times. I ran away so many times. My
There
English
is
is going for a toss.
there is Neha asking you tell me your fitness secret.
भाई कोई फिटनेस नहीं कहाँ से दिख रहा है एक्चुअली इट्स माय मदर वी गाइस डोंट वर्क आउट बट वी आर नॉट थिन वी आर नॉट फैट बट वी आर ओके इवन माय सिस्टर इफ यू सी वी ऑल आर लाइक दैट बिकॉज़ ऑफ माय मदर माइंड इट
Right. There is there are people asking you any upcoming projects for except for Blackboards.
guys I'm been waiting for Blackboard since really long so let's see now I can't say much यार about work अभी पता नहीं क्या हालत होने वाली है till when is the lockdown if it's getting extended
Right.
or if it's yeah so I think let's just wait.
There is Manan, my soul, asking, what is your favorite moment from Kaisi Hai Yaariyan 3?
Kaisi Yaariyan 3 I think there was a pool party or something like that. I think we all had a lot of fun because we were shooting all night and we हमने बहुत मस्ती की. मैंने उस दिन से वीडियोस भी बनाए थे. तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया.
Right. There is Bhumika _1340, and this was like a lot of people asked this question. She's saying ask her why did she not take up एक दूजे के वास्ते 2. I'm not sure where this is coming from, but a lot of
Why
them are
didn't I-
asking.
Let's not get there. It's okay.
Okay, there is Parvati Satish asking a secret about you. which nobody knows, and an annoying habit about yourself.
An annoying habit is that I love pampering, and I go like my pampering is like it's very bad. But they're all the cute. They're like, so cute. थप्पड़ मारने का मन करता है. It's like that. My pampering is literally like this. Like I squeeze the cheese and थप्पड़ मारने का मन करता है. I always keep telling my mother, if I have children now, they will be like, मम्मी बंद करो, क्या कर रहे हो आप? So yeah, no one knows that. That's also a secret that I actually am very like that.
There
And
is
that's also a very annoying habit. Huh?
there is Irene saying, can you please sing a song for us?
तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई यूं ही नहीं दिल बाता कोई जाने तू या जाने ना माने तू या माने ना. Okay.
There is quintessential cute little mess asking, how did your journey in television begin, and did you always plan to be an
Following me,
actor?
Quint, you're not following me because I've answered this question too many times. And my cheeks are very
Like,
bubbly because of my father.
Did you always wanted to become an actor, या फिर it just happened, like, you know?
It just happened. I never wanted to be an actor. I never even
So
imagined
then
or
what
thought
did you
about
like
it.
want to become? If not an actor, what would Neeti have been?
Teacher.
Really, you wanted to become a teacher?
Yes. You can see मैंने teacher वाले कपड़े भी पहने हैं.
There is Prachi
Manik or
asking,
Monster
Manik
Manik.
या
Monster Manik.
there is
अब मैं जाऊँ?
okay.
अब मैं जाऊँ?
नहीं, I'm just going to wrap this up. There is Vesh28 asking, when is your next TikTok video coming with your dad?
Soon, guys. I will record one very soon.
Right. And before we wrap this, there is Vesh28 का एक और question, which is, will Neeti prefer a destination wedding or a simple wedding?
I actually want to do court marriage अगर मुझसे कोई पूछा जाए. I would just want to do court marriage and get done with it. I don't like all the shosha and all. अगर होता है ये सब शोशा तो families की वजह से ही होता है. ये याद रखना, आपके parents ही करना चाहते हैं because होता है ना, बेटा आखिरी शादी है घर में, कर लो ना please.
Aren't you one of those girls जिसका पता है पूरा एक book होता है, like मेरा I will wear this, I will wear that, ऐसा I want to do all of that fancy stuff.
See, no, I don't have a book like that. I never thought. Yes, I always thought about me getting married, but it was always Sangeet. Like in a big way, but that's about it. And now I have to push because I have to go. I'm getting messages.
जी. So lastly, tell me who's been your video chat buddy, and then we'll wrap this up during quarantine.
My video chat buddies have been Rini and Chandni because I've been video chatting with them like
and
crazy
it's her
people.
birthday today.
And it's her birthday today.
Right. Thank you so much, Neeti, that you took out
Thank
time and
you.
spoke to us. We would wait for you to fly back to Mumbai, and then we can have a personal interview as well. And thank you
so much for sure.
Thank
For
you.
sure,
and
sure.
see you.
Thank
Take
you.
care of yourself and the family, and we'll see you. Thank you.
Too. Bye.
Bye. So guys, that was Neeti Taylor, and I'm sorry that she had to rush in the end. She was getting some messages, and probably she has to be somewhere else as well. So and there are a lot of you guys जिन्होंने questions भेजे. Thank you so much for sending in questions. There is Neeti_Taylor_Mannat. There is Shweta Lahre. There is the Parth Samtan F. There is Parvati Satish. Ayman is saying thank you for the chat. Yes, that's about it. And a lot of you guys जिन्होंने ये live पे join करके इसे एक सक्सेस बनाया. ऑल्सो for your questions. I'm very thankful that you guys sent in some amazing questions. It was super fun to chat with her. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that we have for you guys today. This is Simran saying goodbye. And see you tomorrow again with Shefali Zariwala. Shefali is going to be joining us tomorrow at 5 o'clock. हमने ऑलरेडी एक आस्क अ क्वेश्चन वाला स्टोरी डाल दिया है, सो प्लीज गो देयर एंड सेंड योर क्वेश्चंस फॉर शेफाली जरीवाला, and we will try to ask her all of those questions, most of those questions I should say, because then you'll come at me कि मेरा question नहीं पूछा. Guys, I try my best to ask as many as possible, and it's literally like इतने जल्दी नीचे के comments जाते हैं, तो yeah. And yeah, that's about it. That's all that I have for you today. अगर आपका ये लाइव में से कोई भी पार्ट मिस हो गया हो तो ये लाइव को मैं हमारे स्टोरी पे सेव करूंगी. एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट. वहां पे आप देख सकते हो, यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हो. और व्हाट एल्स, यस, इंडिया फोरम्स डिजिटल हमने एक न्यू पेज शुरू किया है. एंड आई थिंक उसको 1-2 दिन हो गए हैं. हाँ, 2-3 दिन हो गए होंगे, हो गए हैं. एंड या, प्लीज गो अहेड, चेक आउट इंडिया फोरम्स डिजिटल, बिकॉज वहां पे बहुत सारा फन कंटेंट आता रहता है. ऑल द अपडेट फ्रॉम द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड इज समथिंग दैट वी पुट आउट देयर. So please go ahead and check out India Forums Digital, and follow us for all the latest updates. This is Simran saying stay home, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.